Good morning. My name is Sanjay Behel. I am working as a chef for the hotel The Surya at Friends Colony. And today we are standing at the Sampan. It's our specialty Oriental restaurant. Talking about Oriental desserts, one of the most popular desserts, it's a date pancake. I'm going to make that for you today. Every chef has his own way to go about pancakes, yes, but that's something I do. I take 3 spoons of flour and 1 spoon of corn flour and add a little water to it. You can add a little pinch of soda to give it a little lightness and better texture to the pancake. Mix it lightly. Always when you're making a pancake batter, see to it that don't add too much of water to it, otherwise you'll get lumps easily. But now when you do it like this, you notice it's kind of a small thick batter is coming out. Now start adding water. Water will get added easily, and you will notice you'll not get any lumps. You need not strain, need not get worried about it to get the pancake texture right. Now important thing is whenever pancake batter is made, okay, check that how exactly batter is coming right or not. You'll notice the batter which has got a smooth texture now. How do we check as a chef that batter is ready or not? We always hold it like this. See, it is falling in a straight, very runny state. We always make batter and leave it for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Only then after that pancakes would come out right. Now, till the time, get the oil ready for to be heated for the frying of the pancake. Use oil which suits you best, healthy as possible. You need to understand when you do a pancake, you have to be very easy with it. Never ever have temperature which is very high or low. If you want to turn it around, you can do that. If not, so it's okay. It's ready. My pancake is ready. I've got dates with me, but what you need to handle is when you're doing dates, you get seedless dates which are of this size, you need to chop them. Once you have chopped it, do it like this. It might need some time, but do it. It'll help you to make pancake better. That's the chopped dates which you'll get. Add a little bit of sesame seed to it. Add cashew nuts. Look at that. Very simple thing. Try to give a proper shape to it. Then start folding. Important thing when you're folding it, you need to seal the corners of the pancake so that once you're frying it, it doesn't split open. That's the pancake. Now it'll be deep fried. So you always notice that. When you notice over here, as I put the pancake into oil, I'm just holding it for a minute. Just to understand the temperatures are right, and always put it very slowly. That's what it should be. No unnecessary color, nothing, but it's ready to go. Any extra oil, otherwise there's a flour, they will definitely absorb the oil. When you're serving it, depending on the size of portion what you want to have, you can cut into 2 or 3 or 4, how big a portion you want to serve with your guest. For me, I'm planning to do it in approximately 3 pieces. That's the ideal thing. Now that's how it would look like. We did fry the date pancakes, but you can present in different styles. What I have tried doing today is, or what I want you to try doing is, strawberries in season. Use strawberry ice cream, otherwise generally you're always using vanilla ice cream. Use some oriental fruits. I've used dragon fruit and rambutan. And always, whenever you do a dessert, do put some ingredients on top of which somebody would like to enjoy eating them. So I added some more cashew nuts, made it rich, and as it goes to your guest, add some honey. Good date pancake dessert, serving strawberry ice cream, fruits, rambutan, dragon fruit.